Welcome everyone to question number 6 in strings, Roman number 2 integer. Have a quick look at the question. We'll be discussing the meaning and the approach to it. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any extra email IDs, please do subscribe to support our channel. And if you have any doubt, just leave a comment below and we'll be very quick to respond. Now coming to the meaning of the question, here we have taken two examples so I can explain how can we convert a Roman number into an integer. In the first example, we have v. Okay, and by default we have the value I equal to 1 v5 x10. Okay, this is already given in that question, so we are storing this inside a dictionary. Okay, I will be a key and the right side value will be a value. Left side is key, right side will be value. Okay, now v means it is equal to 5, which was already given. Okay, this is fine. Now coming to the second example, we have x1 x, right? X means 10, I means 1, okay, and x means 10 again. Now if you keep on adding, we get 21 as an answer. Okay, many of you have assumed that to convert from Roman to integer we have to add the particular values and we'll get the answer, but that is wrong here. Okay, that is a wrong approach. In Roman numbers, if the left side value is smaller than the right side value, then we have to subtract the left side value. For example, in this first x is 10, this is fine, but if you see this value, this I is equal to 1, the next one is 10. For this 10, the left side value is I, which is 1, which is less. So we have to subtract this minus 1. We have to subtract this minus 1 and then we add. Okay. Now the value will be changed to 19. 10 and 20 minus 1 is 19. Okay. This is the answer, which is correct, which is 19. Okay. Now I will say the conditions again. Left side should be, if left side is smaller, then we subtract that. Okay. Now let's continue as we do in code. Let's start this and we check the right side and left side. Okay. Left side is smaller than the right side one. We subtract the left side one. If not, we just add. Okay. Now let's do it. X means 10. I means 1. 10 is smaller than 1. No, it is not. Then we add both of them. Not both of them, I mean. We just add the starting value. Okay, 10 has been added. Now again, this box will be shifted towards the next two elements here. Now ix is 1 smaller than the 10. Yes, it is smaller. So we have to subtract. Okay, we have to subtract that one. So we will be using minus 1 here. Okay, we have to subtract the left side smaller value. Now again, we have to move this box towards right side to compare two values. But this is the last value and we don't have a right side value. What we're going to do is we are going to simply add the last value. Whenever we reach the last value, we just have to add that. Okay, because there are no comparisons after that. Now if we add these three values, we'll be getting the value 19. Okay, and this is exactly what we're going to do inside the coding. I hope you have understood the example and the meaning how to convert Roman number to integer. Now let's go into the coding section, and once you see the code, everything will be much clearer to you. Now we are inside the Geek for Geeks website, and you can see clearly here that we have stored the given Roman values. Okay, we Roman symbols and their values in a separate dictionary D. Okay, and we have given total equal to 0. At initial state we are just initializing total as 0, and now we are iterating through the given string here. Okay, now this condition is used at the last of the index. Okay, that we have already discussed in the earlier presentation. If the last value, if the index is at the last value, then we have to simply add that last value inside the total. That is what we're doing exactly here. And in another if else here, if left side value is smaller than the right side, then we subtract, or else we're going to add the values here. This is exactly what we have discussed, and after iterating all the values we will be returning the total. Okay, and this is the code for this question. I hope you have understood the code and also the explanation to it. If you have understood, just give us a like and also subscribe with all the email IDs we have, and show and support our channel. Okay, thank you for watching till then. Let's meet another question.